Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just got off of work and I just got me some lunch slash dinner. You might as well say dinner for me because I don't eat that late. So, got me some Domino and I got me spinach and feta bread. Oh, look at all of this. You can smell the garlic. Look at all this cheese. Look at that cheese pull. And I also got me some barbecue chicken. I forgot what you call this. I know it's chicken with bacon. So without further ado, let's say prayers. Amen. And I also have me light half and half tea. Half tea, half lemonade. Look how good that look. Come on. The chicken. I think it's barbecue with bacon. I was literally buying that because when I looked at it, and other people had it online, it looked like burnt. I hope your day is going well. It's sunny still, hot, but the wind is blowing. It can gradually cooling down. The spinach in there. It's spinach and feta. Sometimes you don't want all that pepperoni or meat. Mm. So that's what I have for dinner. You know how that bread can be. Get full really quickly. So all this garlic. Mm-mm. So I thank you guys for watching. Mm. I'll probably eat me 2 more pieces, and that will be it. It's so good. So thank you for watching, and bye bye for now. Bye.